All set now, ready to race. Race number 1. And the race is on. A Speed Bullet, fast to begin, running by the rally Something New. Tiago, racing in third, moving up by the rally School. Reception, Toyota, racing on the outside, fifth Storm playing second last, while Speed 2 Riches, running at the tail of the field. Number 3, Something New. And on the outside, Speed Bullet fighting it out for the lead. And running in third by about 6 lengths, Tiago alongside Toyota. Cool Reception. Storm Play, Speed 2 Riches. And rounding the far turn, Speed Bullet. This time by half a length, followed by Something New. And getting closer in third is Tiago together with Toyota. Storm Play, Cool Reception. As they raise the last 450, a Speed Bullet by about 3 lengths, Something New. Tiago rushing up in between runners and Toyota. A Speed Bullet by about 2 lengths, Tiago Danori inside. And nearing the finish line, Speed Bullet, Tiago by the rail. Last 100, Speed Bullet, Tiago by the rail. But still Speed Bullet, the icebreaker. Number 5 is Speed Bullet. Tiago, Toyota, Speed 2 Riches, Storm Play, Something New, and Cool Reception.
Unofficial.